Your hands and feet say a lot about your grooming. Having a manicure pedicure session at home is sometimes much more convenient than having one at a salon. Manicure pedicure takes less time than you think and is therapeutic too. Using scissors, cut your nails into a straight shape. Do not use clippers, they shadow the nail and cause the end to split. File your nails with a gentle, soft cushion emery board. Do not use a metal file. Rub cuticle cream gently in the nail area. Place your hands in a bowl of warm water and soak for 2 to 3 minutes. Dry your hands. Gently push back and neaten the cuticles with a hoof stick. Hoof stick is an essential tool for keeping cuticles neat and tidy. Soak your hands again for 2 minutes. Using a brush, scrub your nails gently to remove any last traces of dirt or cuticle cream. Dry your hands and apply hand cream. Leave for 3 minutes and then rub some nail polish remover over your nails to remove any hand cream residue. Gently buff the surface of the nails using the coarse, grainy side of a nail buffer. Next, use the smooth side of the nail buffer and rub smooth using circular motions. Now your nails are glossy, smooth and shiny. Using a pumice stone or foot file, start by rubbing away hard dead skin from around the heels, balls of the feet and under the toes. This should be done before soaking or showering, otherwise you may remove too much skin. Soak your feet in a bowl of warm water containing 4 drops of rosemary or tea tree essential oil to stimulate the circulation. Trim the nails, making sure to cut straight across to minimize risk of splitting or of ingrowing toenails. Buff the nail edges with the fine side of an emery board. Rub some cuticle cream into the base of each nail. Wait a few minutes and then gently push back the cuticles using a rubber hoop stick. Massage exfoliating cream all over your feet in gentle circular motions. Then rinse and dry your feet thoroughly. Moisturize your feet, paying particular attention to the heels to soften and hydrate the skin. Avoid moisturizing the areas between the toes, which should always be kept dry to prevent infection. Insert toe dividers or cotton wool before applying a clear, protein-rich base coat. Protein base helps strengthen the nails and prevent splitting, damage and staining from dark-colored polish.